Local Unsafe convicted nurse Lynn Armstrong stalking one of two cats, attempting to steal one of them. Harassment and stalking were a 24/7 problem. This is the same day Lynn Armstrong filed a false police report and fabricated evidence to support the false report. She was ultimately arrested for the false report. The previous owners of this home had similar problems with convicted criminal Unsafe Lynn Armstrong and other neighbors. This is an example of why security cameras are needed in unsafe Amsterdam, New York. Retaliation for the security cameras and resulting videos is why Lynn Armstrong and the neighborhood watch group stalked, harassed, and invaded the privacy of the newcomer. Lynn Armstrong and the Neighborhood Watch began making up false videos, false social media accounts, lies, continued to make false police reports and much more as the police knew and did nothing.